ever seen. Potatoes are brown, soft inside, soft inside, soft inside. Potatoes are brown, soft inside. Mash them up and try. Onions are round, they make me cry, make me cry, make me cry. Onions are round, they make me cry, but they're tasty, oh my. Corn is yellow, sweet and neat, sweet and neat, sweet and neat. Corn is yellow, sweet and neat, a treat I love to eat. Pumpkins are orange, big and round, big and round, big and round. Pumpkins are orange, big and round, the best in town. Cucumbers are long, fresh and green, fresh and green, fresh and green. Cucumbers are long, fresh and green, the crispiest I've seen. Beets are purple, sweet and cool, sweet and cool, sweet and cool. Beets are purple, sweet and cool, they make me strong for school. Radishes are small, spicy and red, spicy and red, spicy and red. Radishes are small, spicy and red, great in my salad spread. Cauliflower is white, soft and round, soft and round, soft and round. Cauliflower is white, soft and round, a veggie that I found. Bell peppers are bright red, green and gold, green and gold, green and gold. Bell peppers are bright red, green and gold, colorful and bold. Eggplants are purple, shiny and smooth, shiny and smooth, shiny and smooth. Eggplants are purple, shiny and smooth. Let's cook them up and groove. He said, zucchini is green, soft and mild, soft and mild, soft and mild. Zucchini is green, soft and mild, a favorite of every child. Lettuce is crispy, leafy and green, leafy and green, leafy and green. Lettuce is crispy, leafy and green, perfect for healthy cuisine. Mushrooms are soft, white or brown, white or brown, white or brown. Mushrooms are soft, white or brown, cook them up, they're renowned. Celery is crunchy, tasty and light, tasty and light, tasty and light. Celery is crunchy, tasty and light, a healthy veggie delight. Garlic is tiny, strong and white, strong and white, strong and white. Garlic is tiny, strong and white, it gives your meals a bite. Ginger is spicy, brown and small, brown and small, brown and small. Ginger is spicy, brown and small, a flavor loved by all. Green beans are thin, crunchy and green, crunchy and green, crunchy and green. Green beans are thin, crunchy and green, the tastiest I've seen. Turnips are white, purple on top, purple on top, purple on top. Turnips are white, purple on top, so yummy when they're hot. Okra is green, slimy inside, slimy inside, slimy inside. Okra is green, slimy inside, a veggie loved worldwide. Chilies are spicy, red and small, red and small, red and small. Chilies are spicy, red and small, adding heat for all. Leeks are long, green and white, green and white, green and white. Leeks are long, green and white, they make my soup just right. Parsnips are pale, sweet and long, sweet and long, sweet and long. Parsnips are pale, sweet and long, they make my meal so strong. Kale is curly, crunchy and green, crunchy and green, crunchy and green. Kale is curly, crunchy and green.